Merry Christmas!
Hey! Merry Christmas!
Hey!
Finish! Okay. We go around na.
It's up to you. But
It's up to you.
I think we must have a shot here. We sing a song.
Okay, we go upstairs and have a shot here. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go. Oh,
Let's go.
lot of kids. How many kids you are there? Oh, come here. Oh, I have 100 here. I have 100. Okay.
Lapit.
Ah.
Dali.
Oh, tig-20 kayo lima. Ah, tig-20 kayo lima. Oh. Ah, say hi. Hey. Tig-20 kayo lima, ha? Ah, lima kayo, tig-20 kayo dyan. Let's go. Off there. Dalag cake paro. Grabe talaga. Only the Philippines. Yeah. Only the Philippines. Oh. You know. There is a cake. Oh, there is a cake, Mark. Wow. Oh. Oh, no, it's for you, not for me.
That's way too big.
Yes, also the spaghetti is for you, not for me.
No. We have to share it.
Good. Hey, Brad. Natawa siya.
I'm for sure not hungry and too many cake. No, it's too many.
Too many spaghetti. Oh. Yeah. First time in the House of Gods.
We only eat Alfonso.
Yes. 2 shots. That's good. Okay. Oh. How's the taste?
Good.
It looks like spaghetti. Okay, spaghetti. Okay, alright.
Looks like spaghetti, huh?
Oh, yeah, okay. Have you tried this one?
No.
Oh, no. That's good. First time, the Belgian guy visiting a Christmas celebration eating a cake like this. Also, I will eat also. Wow. Very sweet. Ah. Woo.
Yeah, it's very sweet,
Very sweet.
as usual.
Yung sarap. Sarap.
Sarap.
Ay ba, tubig. Yelo, yung ganun. Ito po ka na nalagyan.
Ah, kayong baso. Isang buong baso, lagyan mo yelo.
Oh, yun.
Yes, I got Moto Black, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year yun sa ano, tsaka na yun. Ano lang kami dito, we are just a hit and run, no? Dropping here, eat some spaghetti, also cake, and then drink some 2 shots of Alfonso. And then after this, go transfer to other.
And drink more Alfonso.
Drink mo lang Alfonso. Yun, the Belgian guy is a jagger right now. So, my question is, how many Christmas you've been celebrating in the Philippines?
My second one.
Second one. So, how you compare the second one, the first one, compared to the second one?
The first one was in Naika.
Yeah, the first one is like, yeah.
We with the neighborhood. No, it was okay. Now we have our own vendor.
Yeah.
So a little bit different, eh? We have a lot of party. Too many parties.
Yeah.
Always eating, drinking.
So yun ano, first, this is second year celebrating Christmas in the Philippines. The first one is in Nike, so it's different right now. The second one was party, eating, drinking. But after this one, we go transfer to Obed's place. Okay? So, let's go. So, thank you God sa pag-invite.
Oh, tingin sa kayo ni Bano.
Oh.
Kay Bano man.
Road 66.
Oh!
You may choose.
Oh, I love it. I love this one. Oh. Oh.
This means alle idioten,
Idiote.
alle
Adidas. Ina.
oh, alle domme idioten.
Pumunta lang, nakasombrero pa.
Die Clemens, hè? Die Clemens is nu. Alle domme idioten doen aan sport.
Ay.
Oh, it means all stupid
Yung pala meaning
all
doon.
in sports.
Ah.
Pala meaning yun.
Adidas.
Adidas. Yung pala meaning
Ay,
Adidas.
ay, no.
Sombrero pa. Hey, wear your cap. Oh, 1, 2. Hey.
My head is too big.
Oh, Road 66 was wow. Pogi ko dito ah. Oh. Come on, harap. So, I'll do vlogging on it. Okay. 1, 2. Nice. Hey! Hey, shout out!
This is a European club, hè?
Yeah. No, God give it to me, not for you, ha? Because you're tall guy, so it cannot fit on you. Oh! Oh! A black hoodie jacket.
Oh, oh,
Wah!
oh,
Wah! Oh! Oh!
where are you now? Floating off.
Kasi malamig kasi kila Mabet. Malamig doon. Ginawin tayo. May ginawa ka prepare.
Wow! Wow!
Pero totoo, malamig
Oh.
kila Mabet.
11. Wow.
Yo, what's the name? Glory and Fame. Oh, thank you, Lord. Glory and Fame. Oh. Oh, oh, that's good, huh? Oh, this one is very fit on me. It's an everyday drive.
There's only one problem.
Oh, you're too...
Oh, it's small for you.
That's well for you.
I know, but that's the problem. I'm a total.
No, that's the private short tall guy. Look.
Don't worry.
She's a 6'7" guy, so. Yeah, that's for Lucille. Hey,
Yeah, what is it?
that's
I
for
gave it to
Lucille.
Lucy. Yeah, that is happy.
That's for Lucille.
It's nice, huh?
There is a hoodie on that, huh?
Yeah, see,
Yeah, that one, huh?
the best thing.
Renedi.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Mga padala yan. Pero mga sapatos din.
Yeah.
I don't know what it means.
Wow. Ganda. Thank you. Shout out kay Gats. Merry Christmas. Pati sombrero. Route 69. This is from America. Wow.
But this is
Tingnan mo kasi kay Marto. Just try.
Oh,
Try only. Just try.
that is good for you, Mark. Oh,
there's something inside. I think.
yeah.
Somebody's. Oh, I like it.
That's right.
Oh, that's enough for... Wow. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
No, it's my size, because I think
Oh!
it's my size.
It's your size. I know.
Okay, it's not our size, so bye.
No, it's my size.
Okay, bye.
But yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, sakto sa kanya, Gats. At pag nagkanda, Gats. Ano ka din yan?
Padala yan.
Eh, ba't... Di ba?
That's a little bit of problem, I know. But it's my size.
Oh!
Because
Wow! Oh, look!
My size. Hey. See.
Adidas. Also Adidas.
Mga ganyan, oh. Hindi mo ginagamit ang mga padala. Kaya lang, ang lalaki ng size, hindi kasi sa akin.
Oh, wala din talaga kasi sa yan. Hindi na ba kasi sa akin yan?
Kaya ang mga malalaki niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Padala. Buti nga, change mo tayo Marto.
No, this is really my size.
So,
Fit me perfect. It's simply hard to put them on, but that's the model. Huh?
now leave your slipper here. You know. Oh.
Why?
Leave your slipper here to shape shoes. If you take that shoes off, but somebody will get on that again. Oh,
But my
Nice.
slippers are
Adidas.
my slippers are.
look, your cap is Adidas, your shoes is Adidas, your face is Hudas.
Adidas.
Ano ba? Your cap is Adidas,
Adidas?
your shoes is Adidas,
And
your face is
Hudas.
Hudas.
Alright.
Alright.
Ganda oh. Yeah, man, just kidding aside, but you know.
Nice shoes.
Yeah, okay. Well, I want
The Belgian guy, first time in the Philippines, having a shoes.
to in the Philippines.
First time going around in the Philippines in a Christmas day. Yeah, going around in a Christmas day, having shoes Adidas, also a cap Adidas, but the mukha is Hudas. Yeah.
Last Christmas we were not long friends.
Oh,
Yeah. No, yeah. You are like longer player.
yes, of course. You called me, no, you did not call me brother, ha? You called me asshole.
Yeah, I told you.
Always.
All my brothers are off.
You call, asshole.
How about you?
Alam mo, binigyan ko ito kapo regalo. Oh, I might get buy you for something, a little bit of brain. Just to add to your brain.
I'm really happy.
Ha? You really happy?
No, I was in a job market a few days ago to buy the present for the kids. Yesterday we went to buy the present for
Binigyan niya rin ang mga anak ko eh. Binigyan niya rin talaga eh.
for your kids. So, but I was wanting to buy shoes, but there was so many people yesterday. The row for paying was so long. To enter the parking in SM under the ground, more than half an hour from Walter Market Highway
Para din na siya lagi nagchichinelas.
to 3 SM.
Ganda.
Normally, under normal circumstances, it's maybe 5 minutes. More than 5 minutes.
Kahapon
Everybody was
ito lang,
shooting.
nung binigyan ko siyang regalo, tuwan-tuwa
I was
siya.
so
Dapat
very
kasi
tired.
binalot mo yun. Sabi niya binalot mo yun eh.
Mas maganda yung actual na isusunod.
Sabagay, yes.
Kasi hindi ko alam. Try mo kung kakasya eh. Ang tingin mo, malaki yan.
Pilitin na natin ito, panlaro natin. Ay, mukhang malaki.
Malaki yan. Malaki pa yan. Parang sa ganun
Nice
size
one.
din.
That's, I would say I give them to
Malaki.
to Malik, but if he don't wear them, then they say, oh, you go to ski. There's no snow in the Philippines.
Sakto, Gats.
Ha?
Pag basketball. Sakto. Butang na. Sakto.
Lisod mo na. Tangin.
But actually,
Marami pa rito. Sabi ko kasi yun.
for the basketball shoe, it's not high.
Ano ito? Kaya hindi na kasi nakagamit to, no?
Ay, ito. Ako lang yan. Ito. Tama to. May mga ano pang ganyan. Walang, lalo sa, pag sinuot kong ganyan, oh, ang pangit, oh. Ang laki.
Katulad yung Adidas.
Ang laki.
Wala na.
Ang laki, oh. May yan pa.
Ito sakto sa akin talaga.
Yan, oh.
Sakto sa akin. Kapit na kapit pa, oh. Maganda palaro.
Oh, kapit yan. May nakabibig.
Sakto sa akin.
Eh, masyadong malaki ito, ano. Kasi yun.
Laki na.
Yan pa lang.
Ang ganda, panlaro nito. Hindi ba kasi sa'yo ito? Alam ko kasi sa'yo ito eh.
Malaki. Ganyan ang haba sa akin yan. Pag ginanong ko eh,
Kasya, oh.
ganyan.
Oo. Pag may medyo pa ako. Sakto.
Isa malaki.
You put coconut in it.
Malaki. Yeah, one socks. Oh. Good for basketball.
Yeah.
Oo, kumain ganun. Binapadala. Galing ano yan.
It's
Basta
very good.
every three,
That's okay.
parang every 3 months. Papadala sila ganyan. 3, 4. Ayun,
You
lalaki
have
ng
to put
size.
some socks. Yeah, but this
For
one is
basketball, if you want to read it,
Yeah.
you can play with basketball. We go with it if you want to.
That is good. Oh.
No. Your ankle has to be protected.
Wait pa.
You see what things I got? That's only for playing basketball. I don't have an ankle anymore. I got a
Oh my God. Look at that. Medyasan mo na kaya?
Hindi. Ano ito kami? Ito kami. Ganda oh.
ganda.
Ito ganda oh.
Ayun. Paingay yun.
Skuda.
I see it's very good. But it's not good for your head.
Not good for your health.
Patayin mo lang ito, praso. Yan ang problema pag patayin mo lang talaga yan. Ganun mo lang yung pagawaan, patayin mo lang.
Hindi kasi kasi. Parang 1.5 or
Ito. Wow. Ngayon, mautak na yung Belgian. The Belgian, she shot 3 times and then she said, this is my first shot. So,
A shot in Belgium is bigger.
shot in Belgium than it's bigger. Pero tuwa talaga ako sombrero ko ba? Alam mo, dami ko nakikita nagsusot ng ganito, Route 69.
In Belgium,
Ano ba to? Route 66 is from America.
wala kang mabibili dito.
Wala.
in Belgium we live in a small country, but everything we use is big. Big shots, big food.
You cannot find it. In every street.
Pinipentan dito yan.
But Route 66 is history.
Route 66, it's history. What
No,
about history?
what I mean to say is Route 66 there are only a few pieces that still exist. Most of it is already
Out.
Peace out.
Already gone.
phased out. They straightened the route and whatever not and replaced for better.
Patay ito, Gats. Daling ko to sa patay ang Gats. Next
Yan
week.
naman, mga uwi ni Colin nung nag-abroad siya.
Gats.
Hindi siya kapyan.
But still, if you want to follow Route 66, you can do it. But then
Route 66 is what it means.
you go.
It's a road like EDSA. Like that.
It's a very long.
Ah,
Well known. Well
And
known.
well known because you went from the east to the west. I mean,
Si Robert yun to. Binigyan ko ng ganyan. Binigyan ko sa sapatos. Sa akin. Padala sa akin. Sakto sa akin.
Wait.
shopping we come to.
We go shopping with Gats. Hey, thank you. Yo, bastos talaga yan.
Next time daw, we go shopping. Butat na sa amin.
Sobrang sulit. Ay, ito alak pala talaga. Alak.
Madali na yan.
Sulit pala talaga. Eh, paano si nanay? Adi, iwanan natin yan. Pag walang alak doon. Hindi. Di lo kayo na siya. Pag walang alak, bili tayo. Bahala siya. May alak doon. Tara na.
Iwanan to.
Oo, iwanan mo na yan. I-shot mo na yan mamaya pag umuwi ka, siyempre. Thank you and Merry Christmas nga pala, no, Gatdula family. Ano apelido rin nanay?
Gatdula,
Yun,
siyempre.
Gatdula family. Shout out and Merry Christmas. Yun, sobra. Oh, you wear shoes, ha? Woo! You wear shoes, ha? So, how it's going? How it's going?
It's going easy and flying.
Wow. Nasa Belgian, first time on the neighborhood on the Christmas, on a Christmas day. Yeah, let's go.
I go wait on the street.
Yeah. Okay. First time niya talaga. Promise, kaya tuwan-tuwa siya. Okay, let's go. Lipat kami sa ibang sa ibang neighborhood naman. Let's go. Ano naman? Oh. So, shout out kay Cat Small Vlog. Shout out.
Lugo kasi ako ng mga kayo.
Yun. Tulog na si Gaps. Hey! Tal. Shoutout, Sir Ramil. Shoutout kay Tol Rams. Shoutout kay Tol Rams. Shoutout.
Christmas po! Brazil! Wala na. Ako ang mamamas ko sa inyo eh.
Ayun lang, nagkahingihan na pamasko dito.
Wala, bagsak na. Oh, wala, bagsak na.
Guts.
Sigat.
Always in such a kubo, we're waiting for it. And then we go.
Hoy! Ka-farmers vlog! Shout out!
Ito na. Ano na?
Nasaan na yung papaya mo tsaka luya mo?
Hello, dito tayo?
But darling, we're waiting for Obed and then we go home.
Dito tayo?
Laking pagbili.
Bili ako.
Sige na ba?
Hoy!
Bili ako kayo muli dyan.
Oh, relax ka lang. Kalma.
Yeah.
Kalma, relax. Relax, Lucille.
No, nothing happened, we just you know, I got
Sabi ni Mas,
the from that.
one of the pinakamasipag na vlogger kaya na nakilala ko. Ka-farmers vlog, shout out. Pag walang papaya at saka luya, wala. Hindi masipag. Sulit yan, sulit. Ka-farmers vlog, pag hindi nagbigay ng luya, mali. Tabla.
Magkano ba ang post dyan?
Dili, pabili na ako dalawang corridor stall. Pabili na ako.
What?
Dyan po. Ay, ano nangyari sa'yo, Gats? Parang hatching ka ngayon, Gats. Bawal yung ganyan, Gats. Tinatawanan ka nila, farmers vlog siya. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, just point your point finger to, hey. Turo mo si Gats, turo mo si Gats. Turo mo, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, if Obed didn't come at this moment, we will go back na. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye na because Obed did not come. Maybe tomorrow morning pa. Yeah, we will see him. We will see him. We will see him. Okay. We will see him tomorrow morning, Gats. Obed and Juliet.
Mary!
You know dumating.
Hello.
Araw.
This is my driver.
Eh, shout out din. Lucille, Juliet, shout out din. Alright. So, we will sing, okay? We will sing and also, while I'm singing, Gats is sleeping.
Merry Christmas!
Obed! Wala ka. Wala na. Finish na. Okay.
Pupunta lang dito matutulog.
Pupunta lang dito, magtulog na. Oh.
Kami tulog na rin yan dyan.
Oo.
Kaya ba?
Apakailangan ko naman.
Kaya mo kanta.
Life is not a limited say. Cause you believe in yourself, cause you believe in I can lift you. You got the magic feel. Okay.
Ay, yan dyan, Christmas.
Ang aking kasilbing at sa mga gabang darating.
Ano yung pagkakilala mo sa akin?
Bakit?
Lagi pa ang nagtitigil. Pangarap ko, ikaw pa rin. Kung ito'y panaginip at sa magising paalipin ko. Kahit ay Pasko, sarap ang buhay ko. Ito ay laging handa sa'yo. Ano sinakan nyo? Sana'y huwag panlalaki. Ang ang matamis mong pag-ibig. Kahit na Pasko. Ay, bakit?
Pero, we're going to do it probably on January, but I can give you a date.
Gusto mo magkakita niyan?
Wanna promise me love, where it go? To say bye in how do we I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart? Tonight I hope you'll be right. Tomorrow I'll tell to let you go. Where the world to see was I fool? We feel love is all we and sometimes I give myself loves. Sometimes my best is all I think I'm
Broken dream. Whole part of broken dream.
Hi guys, good night.
Hello, Tatay.
Hello tatay, hi tatay.
You're ugly, no?
Yes, yeah.
Tingnan mo.
I want I will start up. I will start up and finish. Summer's gone past. Yes, second night and last. Wake me up when September ends. My father's gone to pass. 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here come the rain again, falling from the sky. Flames in my head again, become who we are. As my memory rests, but never forget what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Sabi mo ay likat, tulog-tulog lang. Aray ko. Summer's gonna pass. Yes, second never last. Wake me up when September ends. Bring out the bills again, like you did, let's bring me back. When September ends. Comes the rain, falling off the skies. Flames in my head again, falling from the sky. As my memory rests, I'll never forget what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. That's it. Summer past. Yes, second never last. Wake me up when September ends. Shoutout kay Gabs. Kahit natulog na si Gabs, okay lang yan.